All right, this is Kariga mombe. So it's a different tuning than yours, but we'll look at the numbers. So on the upper left, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have an extra one, but counting in from out, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then on the bass, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the left hand, first phrase, goes 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Second phrase is that bass note 7 7 7 4 3 3 4 4. Third phrase, all on the upper left, is 1 2 5 5 2 2. And then the last phrase goes 1 2 5 5 4 4. So that whole left hand together, you got 1 2 3 3 4 4 7 4 3 3 4 4 1 2 5 5 2 2 1 2 5 5 4 4. Now the right hand, first phrase. So whenever I say 4, you play 1 and 4 together. It doesn't need to be all the way up there. You can, you can go at this angle if you want to be able to see it. You can kind of be like, okay. That's a good way. And you can actually watch it.
Okay.
There we go. Make it a little easier on you. Okay. First phrase is, so what I was saying is when you hit 4, you also hit 1. We call that a chord. It's not technically a chord, but if I say chord on the right hand, it's usually that. First phrase goes 2 2 2 2 4 4. So second phrase 3 3 2 2 4 4. Third phrase 2 2 4 4 3 3. Last phrase is 2 2 4 4 4 4. And they all just play together. So first phrase 2 2 4 4 3 3 2 2 4 4 2 2 4 4 3 3 2 2 4 4 4 4 2 2 2 2 4 4 3 3 2 2 4 4 2 It's Kariga mombe.
Cool.